So again, after a very long time, I'm going to make a video on Mindray BS120. Today I will teach you how to replace the halogen lamp. So let's start my today's video.
These two rubbers, remove these two rubbers, and underneath this you will see two screws. You need to open that one. Now take out the cover, and here you will see this is the lamp, this one, and we need to open these two terminals. So guys, be sure the lamp which you are going to replace, it should be 12 volts 20 watt. So here you can see one pin. This pin should be fit in the lamp. Let me show you here, like this. So just insert this lamp inside this module, and after that we will tighten with the screw. After installing the lamp, just cover it, and that's it. It's very simple, easy procedure to replace the halogen lamp in Mindray BS120.
That's all from today's video. If you like my today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again with another video. Till that time, bye bye.